up, everybody? It's Tony Lopez here with Alternative Living Spaces, and really excited for today's tour. It's of a unit that we did several years ago in partnership with Container Guys International. It was for the former CEO and founder of Zappos, Tony Hsieh, for his tiny home community. And this unit now currently is in Joshua Tree, California at the Castle Estates, which is a really unique property. It's an Airbnb rental that is generating over $300 a night. The interior of this unit is insane, so excited for you to check it out. Now, the first thing you'll notice when you see this unit is the exterior. One of the sides of the container was actually painted with car paint. So we had a professional car painter come to our facility, paint it this incredible metallic bronze color, and in that desert Joshua Tree sunlight, it just shines right off of it. It looks incredibly nice. The rest of it is blacked out, but then we also have that same color on the modern entry door. This unit has a 20-foot by 8-foot rooftop deck, and as you go into the unit, all the interior finishes are 100% custom. So pretty much everything you see in this unit was methodically thought out on how we wanted to design it. The very first space you see, which is the kitchen, the pendant light there was actually Tony Hsieh's favorite alcohol. And so we have that thing, the bottle hanging right over the kitchen sink. I did a butcher block countertop. I love in the kitchen, it's got two sliding windows, one right above the countertop and another one up above it that's offset. Just gives it that nice modern look. To the left, when you look at basically the living room and bedroom space, we have there a sofa bed. So during the day, hang out, watch TV. At night, go ahead and fold it out. That becomes the sleeping area. And I love the tile accent wall behind it. The black and white tile pop nicely against that shiplap as well. For the ceiling in this one, we've never done a ceiling like this before. It was actually 2-foot by 2-foot black ceiling tiles that we did across the entire ceiling, and really did just give more character to the interior. In the living room, we do have one of the original shipping container doors that is operable, and so it is able to open and close and just offer another entry area or area to just kind of open up the space and allow maybe that breeze to enter into your tiny home. One of the craziest features of this unit is the bathroom door. Now, this door is hidden, and so as you first walk in, you may not even notice that it's a door. It looks like shelving, but you go ahead and push that open, and you enter into a really cool bathroom. It's got very industrial tile flooring, really, I would say, kind of more higher end type tile finish in the shower with the black octagonal style tiles. And then as you're looking at the bathroom sink, you'll notice exposed copper lines for all of the plumbing. So just continues to add to that character of this unit, giving it a unique look. The LED mirror, then you got your toilet, and then you have a really nice window in your bathroom as well to allow that natural light in. This unit is a 20-foot high cube one-trip shipping container. So you'll notice on the exterior there's very minimal dents. This is really a brand new shipping container. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, this is now located in Joshua Tree, California. So if you want to experience container living, you can actually stay in this unit. So I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can go ahead and check that out. For more information about our products and the builds that we do, you can check us out online at alternativeliving-spaces.com. And for those of you that are DIYers, you may want to build your own container home. I'd encourage you. I have a link in the description below to a training that I put together. It's completely free to use, so check that out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.